It's Jeremiah again, out here in Southern California in Malibu today at a Mike Maru construction project. Contractors, subcontractors are now putting on all our R panels on the floor. We got Rourke, our master radiant installer, just getting ready to set all the tubing in there. We delivered here a few months ago, but now they're just getting panels in, so great to see some progress. The question we often get is, where do we like to put the manifolds? And generally on the projects we like to hide the manifolds as best as possible. So manifolds would go maybe behind a vanity. In this case, here's a hall closet. So easy access for maintenance if ever needed for the manifold, but then out of the way so we never know what's there. So as you can see, all the routing marks are now marked out, so we kind of know which direction the zones are going, where the loops are going. You can see which way we're turning, where we're coming in and out of the room. If there's going to be a little chase way of tubing going around, wrapping around this room, and then going down the hallway. All the X's are marked. We're going to move that section and run a freeway of tubes down there. So nice little detail.